Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use Discord webhooks for automation, alerts, and notifications. Yeah, if you want to send automatic messages from apps, websites, or bots directly into your server, webhooks are one of the easiest and most powerful tools you can use. And honestly, once you set this up, it saves a lot of manual work. So first, go to your Discord server and open the channel where you want alerts. Then click on Edit Channel and find the Integrations or Webhook section. Uh, Create a new webhook, give it a name, and copy the webhook URL because that's what you'll use to send messages from outside sources. Next, connect your webhook to any app or service. Yeah, this could be a website, a form, a payment system, or even automation tools like Zapier or IFTTT. You just paste the webhook URL there, and it will start sending messages directly into your channel. After that, customize your messages. Um, you can send text, links, or even formatted alerts with usernames and icons, which makes notifications look clean and professional. Also, use webhooks for important alerts. Yeah, things like new signups, payments, errors, or updates can instantly appear in your Discord so you never miss anything. And yeah, keep your webhook secure. So don't share the URL publicly because anyone with it can send messages to your server. Finally, test everything to make sure alerts are working correctly. Most of the time, webhook automation makes your Discord server smarter and more efficient. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.